welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. As you know, I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And this little place here is my kitchen and my doggies, of course. Come here, Gigi. Here's the missus of the house right there. Look at her with her look. Wishes nails. She won't even let the vet. Nobody can touch her because she'll freak. And then because Michael, he lets her do whatever she wants. Then she gets away with not cutting her nails, so that's what's up. And then Teddy, come here, buddy. Say hi to everybody. Come on. Real quick. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay, all right. Okay. So that's it, Michael. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And again, guys, I'm going to throw another little episode of my air fryer here. And I'm going to do another recipe real quick. This is just some steak shuck that I got at the supermarket. And the rest of it, as you can see, is over there to make. Come on, Michael. To make some pepper steak over there. But these, I'm gonna make some burgers. So this is steak cube. As you can see that, they ran it in the machine. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna use our air fryer. So I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna season it lightly on both sides with salt, pepper, and garlic ground that I have over here already, okay? And then I'm gonna take these two guys and I'm gonna put them over there. And I have a little bit of olive oil. Remember, a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put it back in there because this is only for this, and that's about it. And that's all the oil that it's going to get. And then, of course, guys, I'm going to put a little lime because we're going to put it in there. And when it come out, I'm going to put it as a burger. So what I'm making, because what I'm going to make is I couldn't find it. I think it's dirty, so I don't feel like washing it right now. I just want to do this with you guys. Okay, so that's a half a lime on them. Okay, I think that should be enough. And we're going to put it in here. So that was just lightly seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic ground. That's it. And half a lime squeeze on both steak patties over there. So we're going to close that. And we're going to press start. We're going to press the steak. On 400, we're going to press start again. And that's going to start it. And we'll see how many minutes we have to wait for us to come back in 12 minutes. If it's not fully cooked that I don't like the way it is, I'm gonna put it 3 more minutes and then we'll come back and you will see me taking it out, putting it more in because I don't like the way it looks. And then we'll come back and we'll close and that's it. And that's another real recipe. Here's my bread, guys. I'm gonna put this bread, look, as soon as that almost done, then I'll turn this in my little oven toaster here that I got at my discount store, like I was saying, guys. Yeah, that's what's up. Look, my husband bought this one. I just want to show you guys real quick. My husband bought this and he paid, I think, like $120 brand new. And then he bought it, but he didn't ask me that he was going to buy it, right? So he went, he thought, okay, I'm going to do something nice for the wife and for me. This is good. I love it. I'm not saying anything. But the next day I went to my discount store and my son, Michael, and I saw it for how much, Michael? I think it was $14.99, brand new. I mean, we opened the cartridge. You could see that it wasn't used because when something is new, you don't see no dirt or anything. So anyways, I wanted to tell you guys that. So anyways, okay, so we're going to be right back. And let me see how many minutes we have. 11 minutes left for that steak. And I'm going to make that steak burger for me. And I'm going to put ketchup and mustard because I like both on it. And then with no onions, no nothing. Because of course now I can't eat any of that. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And thanks for watching. We love you all. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And like I said before, I'm going to see if I like it the way it is. If not, I'm going to put it in for another 3 or 4 more minutes. I think it needs a little bit longer.
This is after 12 minutes?
This is after 12 minutes.
So let's check it out.
They look like little steaks, right? Wow. Yeah, it needs more cooking, right?
Yeah, so you turn it?
Yeah. So it needs more cooking because I want all that.
Another 12 minutes.
And, not another 12 minutes. I'm just going to put the temperature higher. And then we're going to do the same thing. Start, steak, start. And here we go. And I'll see you guys, let me say, Michael, 10 more minutes? Right? Something like that.
Another 12 minutes.
Yeah, another 12 minutes. So we'll be right back, guys, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. We're back. It says a minute there, so as soon as that is done doing that, we're done. Okay, guys? So that means that it's going to be done. So here I come. I got me a fork. So I want to see exactly how that comes out. Here we go. Come on. So we're probably going to start counting, right, Michael? What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
We're counting soon. Here we go. We start counting when it's like 15 seconds or something like that. Wow, I think that minute just started right before we came back, I think, because I mean, it haven't even gone down, but it will. It still says a minute, but it's, oh, there you go. 12, 10, count. Michael?
9.
Come on, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. So this is, and then I got my bread toasting over there because it's a steak burger, you know. So I haven't made this. So oh wow, I think I cook them a little bit, a lot, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh well, I'm gonna eat him. Let's see what happened, guys. I'm gonna put him here.
Wow.
I think I cook them a little bit too much. What do you think, Mike?
Those are pretty.
No, those are a little bit kind of like overcooked, but we're practicing, guys, and sometimes things don't come out like we want them to come out. Do we, Mike? So what I'm gonna, it looks like it's full of fog. It tastes good. It looks good inside.
Looks
You know what
good.
I'm saying? Maybe I could have cooked it a little bit less, but for me it's fine, guys. So I'm gonna do this here. I want you guys to see me doing this. Okay, no mayo, no nothing for me. And these are the tops of my bread right there, guys. And ouch! I'm gonna put a little bit of
You okay, Mom? Heard that
this
one.
one is almost empty, I know, but it doesn't matter. And then a little mustard, because I like the combination of both. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to take a bite. This is very warm and hot. Right? Wait a minute. I'm gonna do this. Can you hold on? Oh. Just on that one. I want everybody to
I gotta
see
see that.
just mustard, you see? Just mustard and ketchup, and that bun is very hot because I put it over here, guys. On my little oven over here. This is that little piece that I took away. It's good. Now I'm just gonna take a bite out of this one. It tastes like you're having a steak sandwich. It does taste like that. I just maybe cooked it a little bit too long. But this is you know what I'm saying, guys? Sometimes things don't come out that good. I'm not saying that it's not that good. It's good. Look at Michael. Michael's laughing. Michael, stop laughing. You see me eating, eh? Wrong. That means the obvious is it's good. Because it's not bad. Michael, stop laughing. Okay, let's go. So I'm just gonna stay here and finish eating it. So you guys see that it is good. Maybe a little bit overcooked. But it is good because you put your respective, it's seasoned good with salt, pepper, and garlic. And then you put your respective ketchup and mustard. And that's all you need. And a steak. Huh? Okay, right there. Okay. You know what that guy? Oh. Let's see, Michael. 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 You been taking a picture of that?
Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Get your air fryer. You're gonna like lose a lot of weight if you're like looking into losing weight because it's summertime. You want to look good in your bikini and your tight pants and your mini skirt. So you don't want to have all them love handles hanging. So the air fryer is a good thing for you. I'm gonna tell you why. I am not, and again I'm gonna say, I am not talking about the air fryer because nobody's paying me for that. I've been looking at it and I've been wanting to buy one and I got it because it was $12.99 and I got it in my discount store. And I like what it does with the food. You don't have to add oil and you're eating more clean, which is good. And we all need to eat clean because all that oil that we cook it goes right through your arteries and clog your artery. You're gonna have a heart attack and die. Well, that's why you do what you do. So anyway, cook it for less. Make your steak burgers, and they're very delicious. You put ketchup, you can put onion, you can put lettuce, you can put your mayo. I didn't put any of those things because I did not have any of those things. But this is very good. The whole thing. I love it, man. The other one. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to donate, you know what to do. Go down below to the link to Patreon. Click on it. It will take you directly to the website where you can donate from $1 to $100, anything you want or not. We're still going to love you. Thank you for following us and for subscribing to our channel and for watching us. You have a good night and peace.